Someone in the UK wakes up, checks their bank account, and it's frozen. No warning, no explanation, no access. And here's the unsettling part. This isn't rare anymore. It's happening overnight. Imagine this. You go to sleep like normal, nothing unusual, no alerts, no emails. Then you wake up, reach for your phone, open your banking app, and everything is locked. Tension. Your balance is still there, but you can't touch it. Your card declined, your payments blocked, your money not yours anymore, at least for now, and people across the UK are starting to experience this more and more often. So what's actually going on? Why are UK banks freezing accounts instantly? To understand this, you need to realize something most people never think about. Your bank isn't just storing your money, it's watching how you use it. Every transaction you make, every transfer, every payment is analyzed, not manually, automatically. Algorithms look for patterns, changes in behavior, unusual activity, anything that doesn't fit your normal. And the moment something looks off, your account can be frozen immediately. No human call first, no warning message, just. Now you might be thinking, what counts as suspicious? That's where things get uncomfortable. It doesn't have to be something illegal, not at all. Maybe you received a larger payment than usual. Maybe you sent money to someone abroad. Maybe your spending suddenly changed. Even something as simple as using your account differently than usual can trigger a flag. And once that flag is triggered, the system doesn't wait. Because under UK law, banks are required to act fast. Very fast. They operate under strict anti-money laundering regulations and fraud prevention rules, which means if something looks suspicious, they don't investigate first. They freeze first, and only then do they start asking questions. Think about that. The system is designed to stop you before it understands you. Now here's where it gets even more confusing. When your account is frozen, you might not even be told why. Because of something called tipping off laws, these laws prevent banks from revealing certain details if they suspect financial crime. So from your perspective, everything just stops. No explanation, no timeline, no clarity, just silence. And while that's happening, your life doesn't pause. Your rent is still due, your bills still need to be paid, your subscriptions still try to charge, but your account still frozen. People have reported being locked out for days, weeks, sometimes even months. Imagine that. Your money is sitting right there, but you can't access it. You try to contact your bank, you wait on hold, you send messages, and the response is, your account is under review. We cannot provide further details. Please wait. Wait for what? They don't say. And during that time, you're completely dependent on a system you don't control. Now zoom out for a second, because this isn't just about individual cases. This is about how modern banking works. We're moving toward a world where cash is disappearing. Everything becomes digital. Every payment tracked, every transaction analyzed, every account monitored. And in that world, access isn't guaranteed, because if your account is frozen, you don't just lose convenience, you lose access to your life. No groceries, no transport, no ability to pay for anything, just blocked. And here's the part that most people don't realize. This system is not broken. It's working exactly as designed. Banks are under pressure to detect and prevent financial crime. Steady. Governments enforce strict compliance rules, and the penalties for getting it wrong, huge. So banks don't take risks. They act fast, even if it means freezing innocent accounts, because from their perspective, it's safer to stop you than to miss something suspicious. Now think about the long-term direction. More automation, more AI-driven decisions, less human involvement, which means more decisions happening instantly, without context, without conversation. Just signals and responses, and if your financial behavior doesn't match expectations, you can be cut off, overnight, no warning, no explanation, just like that. So the next time you open your banking app and everything looks normal, just remember that access is conditional, and in a system like this, control isn't always where you think it is. Because for some people in the UK, this isn't a possibility. It's already happening, and it can happen to anyone, overnight.